Look at all this cool stuff in here.
Wow. Some pretty roots. Watch out. Hold on. Don't do it like that. Put your glove on. We came here to knock some stuff out, but then we found that if you follow us, our driveway that we did not stake down well has been blown up, at least part way. We just need to take this and flip it back and stake it down. That is a job for
Steak woman.
Steak one.
We don't have any steaks.
And we don't have no steaks, but I'm gonna pick some up from Lowe's. Check it out though. That we were gonna work on, but man, it's wasps everywhere and we can't find the nest, and they crazy everywhere.
They're not wasps, they're yellow jackets.
Yellow jackets. Yeah, they're yellow jackets. So that's why that door is kind of cocked open, and I know y'all can't see the swarm around that thing, but they're around there. All right, so we're gonna get it started. Hey, Homestead Homies, T3 Tribe, y'all already know what's up. Everybody new tuning in, we appreciate y'all for tuning in. Go hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me get plant number 1 up out of here.
What's the name of it again? Vigo Garden. Self-watering rolling planter.
Yeah. Man, I know y'all saw us bring this in one of them other videos. It's a 2-foot by 2-footer. They reached out and I was like, you know what? I got a couple of trees, those right there, that we gonna have to move up here, and the self-watering part is awesome. Plus we come often enough to put some water in there, but it's winter time. Usually I roll them inside.
We got a twin pack or a single pack?
We got a twin pack.
Twinsies. Look like a steering wheel.
Is that the bottom of one?
That's the steering wheel. So I can drive.
Yeah, that looked like the bottom.
The frame. Rolling frame.
Yep. So that's wide enough, because ours are pretty big.
There you go.
It looks like this self-watering piece.
Oh, it looks like, okay, I see.
Yeah, check that out.
There's 2 of them, 2 of everything.
Yeah, that's how they look like those small hydroponic pods.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I guess the roots will go down into that and then into this bow. Yep. And then bow. We don't need no directions. Come on.
Job. That's it. That's everything.
What's that?
That's some rubber.
Oh, I think these are the rubber guards that go over around the top of it. This is finished nicely though. This ain't gonna cut you or nothing.
Oh, let me look at these wheels. These are heavy duty.
I need to hook this up real quick while you're doing that. See what I can get out of it. Solar wise.
Go for it, buddy. Go for it, buddy.
Oh, that's a heavy power station.
Okay. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this thing is all just round, correct? It's just round, no straight sides.
Yeah.
I've come to the conclusion that it doesn't get hot in here until the doors are open.
I know.
That's crazy.
And it lets
and like even the walls are cool.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Watch this when you go back there, okay?
Okay, connect the panels.
Are they the same on the top and the bottom as well? Oh, this is dope. Is this the watering system to show you how much water's in there? Max, min, or medium. Refill, fool, it's low. There's the ball. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know if y'all can really see that or not, but that's the ball. That'll go down in the water and it'll float as long as there's water and tell you where the water is.
We'll put the wheels on first.
Okay.
All right, so this, you can do one, I'll do one.
All right.
Next, attach the wheels to the frame using bolts, washers.
Okay, so it's gonna be the long bolts.
These.
Uh-huh.
Right.
With the washer.
With a washer. Tighten them down a little bit. Got my first one on, y'all. Let me tighten yours down.
Yeah.
Okay. Give them to me. Just to kind of give y'all a close-up. Get y'all with a close-up real quick. Show y'all them on there. That's the bottom part. So it sits up there and rolls around, and they got the stoppers on there. So that's what I was about to say. Does it go inside? I think so. That's outside. So go outside. All right. I like it. I like the size of it.
Attach the safety edge to the top of the bed.
The safety what?
Edge of this stuff.
Can we do that afterwards?
Do you want to follow the directions?
Sort of.
No. Don't look like you want to.
Alright. We'll attach the safety. Okay. Quick with it too. Slipping on my job, huh? Ooh, that edging is nice.
Okay. You ready?
I'm ready. What happens now?
You want to put, yeah.
On the top like this, or I'm just playing? Why don't I just flip this over?
It's gonna go right there.
Let me see. Let me pick that up. Can you pick it up?
Why?
Okay. All right.
No.
Nice. And nice. All right. What's that looking like? Yeah.
One more. I didn't do the last one.
If y'all pick y'all up some of these, just know at least it wasn't in anything that we could find or that we have that you may need it. Did it say in the directions that you needed a Phillips head screwdriver?
I stopped reading them things.
Oh, it's all right, y'all. Ooh. It is cool when you have something that is pretty as well as useful.
Now it says install the wicking cell bottom. Take the first part out. Yeah, I'll do this part. Drop down and get your eagle on, girl.
Nice.
Nope.
I don't want to cut that yet, just in case.
Yeah, I know, that's why I didn't cut it.
Put the other screws in and don't worry about this yet?
Not yet.
All right, let's get it. It's hot. All right.
Okay.
That was
and then
it?
now the other piece goes inside.
That?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna cut this where it's got a little slight overhang. And that's it. Left over. So that's generous. Could probably cut back on some of that too.
I'm so happy you figured that out.
All right.
Done. Let's do the next
That's it.
one.
Boy, that's dope. That's
Come on.
heavy. That's
Come on,
heavy
chop,
duty.
chop.
That's heavy duty right there.
You got more work to do.
That's it. And now this to the outside.
To the outside.
There it is.
You want to do this, put that on the ground and travel with it.
Wow. Man, do we need more dirt. This is like a 15 gallon. Look at the amount of ants in that.
More than 15 gallons, I thought.
All right, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. I'm in the shadow, though. Watch out. Hold on. Don't do it like that. Put your glove on.
We don't want to put it in the middle, though.
All right, y'all. So y'all see all that space we got around there? So obviously, we're going to need some soil. But we are going to pour the water down in there so we can see if we can get this bad boy to rise up and show us the levels. But yeah, and then we'll set that in the middle as good as we can for now until I come back later this week with some goodness. A little bit. Let's get some water in there. Oh my God. Let me lean this over there. Ah, yeah. Got some pretty roots. Hold on, let me pour this. We put them together, but we don't have anything right now to keep Jack from coming to eat it. So
If he eats it, then he just eats it.
no, no, if he eat it, then he just eat it. No, indeed. See them roots up there? They should always kind of have some little exposure.
Oh, dripping off the side over here.
Running down because the reservoir itself ain't full yet. You know, I could have did a.
Because it's the one between.
You know, I could have did a. We should actually do rain catchment. Like sooner rather than later. So you can see it needs to be refilled. It's on a slant too. It really don't have that much water in it at all. But yeah, y'all. Vigo. Appreciate y'all, man. Listen, twin pack. self-watering, rolling planter 2x2. All right, that's one big part of us being out here and getting out here and doing our thing, man. All right, what you got to tell the people?
Thanks for coming, guys.
You can't yawn.
I'm tired. The weather was much nicer today, so hopefully we'll get some more work done.
This week, we're gonna bring y'all more videos. We're gonna try to do something where we got something for y'all every day. See if y'all like that. But we gotta get up out of here. Until next time.
Deuces.
Peace, man. Oh, Homestead Homies, T3 Tribe, as always. Peace.